Hi guys, I trust that you're feeling well and awesome. Welcome to this video on grade 11 Euclidean Geometry. In this video we will be proving the circle theorem that states that a line drawn from the center of the circle, perpendicular to the chord, bisects the chord. In other words, we are proving the theorem that states that if OB is perpendicular to AC, then AB is equals to BC. This is what we're trying to prove. So let's get started with it. The first thing you want to do is you want to construct some radii. If you recall from the previous video, we said radii is plural for radius, and we said a radius is a line that moves from the center of the circle to any point on the circumference of the circle. So we are constructing the radius OA as well as the radius OC. Right. Please take note of something. When you are doing any form of constructions, always make sure that you are using a dotted line. In other words, we are moving from O to A. So there's our first radius. Then we are moving from O to C. And there's our second radius. Right. Now that we have it like this, we can get started with our proof. So the first thing we could see here is, let's call this B1. Let's call this B1. Let's call this B2. We can start off by saying that OA is equals to OC. If you've watched our previous video, you would remember we said that radii in a circle are always equal. So the reason for this is this would be radii. We can also see that B1 is equals to B2, which is equals to 90 degrees. And this is given. Lastly, what we can see here is we've got two triangles. The triangles we have is triangle OAB and triangle OBC. In these two triangles, I've got a common line OB. So OB is equals to OB. Your reason would be this is your common line, or you could say common side. Notice that if you can remember from grade 10, we've got three reasons here. If we've got three reasons, we can prove congruency. So I can say here, triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OBC. Now let's talk about the reason. Notice that we have a right angle, so we're going to say R for right angle. We have the radii. Now the radii are opposite the 90-degree angle, so that would make it hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. Then we've got a common side, so we will just put this as S for side. So we have proven that triangle OAB is congruent to triangle OBC. Now, notice that congruent means they are exactly the same. Because we have proven that these two triangles are exactly the same, we can conclude that AB is equals to BC. There we have it. We are done. Life is great. I hope that you guys understood this video. I hope the content makes sense. I hope that you understand the proof. If you do, please give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you will always receive an update every time we upload new videos. Until we meet again, ciao.